I know this seems weird, but what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a night routine. You guys can see I'm about to take a shower. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna remove my makeup and wash my hair and stuff like that. So what are we gonna use? We're gonna use this right here. I love the way it smells. So I'm gonna put it all over my face and then we're gonna remove my makeup. Yeah, it is a makeup. So we're gonna put it all over my face. Remove all the bad makeup from the whole day. And this is actually the first time I have ever tried this, so it feels really good. I look, it turns like slimy and stuff. It feels really good on the skin. So I need to wash my hair because a damn bird pooped in my hair. So that's the reason why I have to wash my hair. My law is every 3 days. But I have to wash it because a bird pooped in my hair and I'm like, oh, it's nasty, it smells so bad, so I have to wash this. So we're gonna wash this and come back. And I'm gonna do my other nightly routine, okay? Well, it's all, I'm like out of the shower, so I'm gonna take this off. Really all clean. Oh, it feels amazing. Well, now we're gonna be doing my face. As you guys can see, look at this redness. I'm a tomato. Cat ears, so I'm gonna put it right there. I look so cute. Well, I just got off the shower, so what do I need? I need moisturizer. I'm gonna need moisturizer. Any of those, you know, things that people put on their faces, like, you know, exfoliant, something like that. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be using this. Usually I always do. So I'm gonna be putting some because my face feels really like dry when I don't put some. And my face is freaking red. I have no idea why my face is like this red. Next, I am not really sure if you guys have ever heard about this brand, but it's actually called ebates. Ebates is actually from Los Angeles, and it's a skin renewal facial lift. I've used it many times. What it does is you scrub it in your face, and it kind of like gets out like the dirt and that skin that you already have in your face. So yeah, so it's like this. Very hard to get out like that. So something like this. And what you do is that you rub it in your face and it will come, the bad stuff is gonna come out. Don't get freaked out by my red face, it happens. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but they're like, oh, focus. Yeah, something like that. So now that pretty much all the bad stuff I am gonna apply some eye balm, and this one is from Believe. This one, crazy. I got this a long time ago in my what was it, Sephora play. Using this right here, LMS Superfood Vitamin Veggie Mask. I got this on my boxycharm just so everybody knows. And I'm gonna use this brush right here, and we're gonna apply it. While we wait for 10 minutes, I'm gonna comb my hair. So as my hair is actually being combed, it's already combed, so I always apply this right here. It's the L'Oreal Elby Protein Recharge Total Repair. And as you guys know, I got this on my Influenster WORDPRESS. I don't have that much. Oh. And I put this all over my hair, especially the roots and split ends that I have. In this leave-in conditioner, I don't know if you call it like that, but it makes my hair feel really, really good. 10 minutes and we're gonna wash this off. Step. We're gonna be using this Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I love, love, love this, I'm not gonna lie. But it feels really good on the skin. I have the little fear that, you know, I'm gonna sleep, because I always sleep face down, so I have to sleep face up, so it doesn't mess around with my my pillows. But that's how it looks. Alright, there you go. So we're done. That's my night routine. I think this is the second time I have actually recorded one, and I wasn't sure, but we're here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, let me know what you think about this video. Follow me on social media, WordPress, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.